Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, in this moment we will present about the article. The title is Family Caregiver Burden of Elderly with Dementia, a Literature Review. The authors are Rahel Maharani Putri Yusahbiran, Martiarini Budi Setiawati, and Adiratna Sekar Siwi. Before we start our presentation, we have to introduce ourselves. We are from second group. The members are first Bhakti Kusumaning Tias, second Desi Ayuningsi, third is Dia Sonyawati, fourth is Dia Tri Anggraini, and the last is Didik Prapto Sasongko. Okay, we are start our presentation. First, we have to talk about introduction. Previous research in 2019, 50 million people worldwide suffering from dementia and with increasing life expectancy. The majority of people with dementia live in community and receive care from family members. And about the reason of carrying out the study, home care provided the elderly with dementia is a complex phenomenon. Some family members find meaning in their new role as caregiver, but on the other hand, more than 50% of family caregivers worldwide say that their health, work, and social life are disrupted as a result of their caring responsibilities. Next. The limitation of the recent study. The research is only limited to a literature review, not direct research. Besides, it took quite a while to be fulfilled requirements of research question, and also in finding literature as a whole can sometimes miss some important studies that can influence that conclusions. About the research questions, the aims of this study to review articles and journals about level of burden and characteristics that affect the burden on caregivers caring for the elderly with dementia. Okay, the next will be present by Bhakti.
Okay, the methods, the participants, and the number of population and sample. Family caregivers, spousal, relatives, adult child, informal caregiver taking care of elderly with dementia, or PWD. The conduct study by the researchers. A literature review with a search for relevant articles published between 2015 until 2020 using databases PubMed, Google Scholar, DOAG, and Oxford academic journals. The type, technique, and instrument used in this study. The first is type, literature review. Second, technique, prisma or items for systematic review and meta-analysis. Instruments based on the results of literature successful for databases Google Scholar, PubMed, Oxford academic journals, DOAG, using predetermined keywords and found total of 1,015 articles that match these keywords. With the number of articles identified by Mendeley Web Importer, a total of 986 articles. Next. Data collection, identification of studies through databases and registers. Articles identified through a database search, Google Scholar, PubMed, Oxford Academic Journals, DOAG. Records removed before screening duplication, Mendeley not identified. Number of articles to be screened, title and abstract, and 934 articles excluded and 877 exclusion. Languages other than English and Indonesian, is not a research article. There is an intervention study, patients with diseases other than dementia. The main topic is not about burden. Number of articles to be screened, full text, and 57. Number of articles included in this literature review and 19. Full text article excluded and 38 exclusion. Sample does not include family caregivers. No instrument-specific measurements of caregiver burden. Does not include the characteristic of caregiver and or ODD. Next, data analysis. The researcher screened the appropriate first stage articles based on the title and abstract, and 57, and the second stage of the screening of relevant full text articles, and 19 met the criteria of objectives of the literature review identified by the researchers.
Result the resourcing feeding. The result in 19 article that meet the inclusion criteria and were in deficiency in this literature review. Most family caregivers were independent as having moderator level of caregiving burden that depends on various factors, including criteria of LD with the material, social demographics, characteristic of gatherings, and characteristic of car itself. In 5 research studies was found that combined to make reference, he heard Buddhas were report of family gatherings. Then variable duration of caregiving heart is also obtained director positively rated to scores. In addition, among families with elderly dementia, the better economic status of caregivers having a lot of money was found to be the most significant for the lower coverage burden, and higher stars and burden were found in the lower income group.
Discussion. The result of the study supported by the theoretical framework of previous study. The burden is a common problem faced during caregiving, especially among family caregivers, and for caring for people with dementia also means managing symptoms that caregiver or people with other illness may not face, such of neuropsychiatric symptoms, e.g., anxiety, apathy, and impaired self-control, and severe behavior problems. In several studies, social support and family function were reported as mediator variables among other factor that influence the burden. On the other side, it can be seen the kinship relationship between caregivers and the elderly report in this literature review, with the majority of caregivers being adult children. Then caregivers who are supposed of the elderly with a higher level of burden are reported. However, further studies are need in the future to explore more in terms of potential economic factor of families who carry out dementia care for their relative of at home.
Next conclusion, the most important findings. At last, the existing literature reveals that the level of caregiver burden can be influenced by various factors. Mostly, caregiver reported in this review were more likely to experience a moderate level of caregiving burden with the presence of behavior problem, neuropsychiatric symptom, and dependence on daily care in elderly with dementia are the main characteristics that predict the burden. The implication of the study for further research. Studies associated with caregiver burden have been discussed all over the world. Therefore, the aims of this study to review articles and journals about level of burden and characteristics that affect. However, further studies are needed in the future of explore more in terms of potential economic factor for families who carry out dementia care for their relative at home. The strengths and weaknesses of the study. This review has limitations. The first were not critically appraised. The 19 included study article by using an specific instrument and treating all the evidence as equally valid. The second limitations concern with some of the concept of burden was not clearly defined. For example, some of the examination using CBI instrument to measure another variable such as stress and depression, and it was difficult to analyze and differentiate the key outcome when screening process. The characteristic of limitations in this review also include the limitations of its reviews published study where the adequacy of the study included according to the inclusion or exclusion criteria in the methodological procedure prescribed by the research. Recommendation. The result of this review found that the characteristic of the elderly with dementia, severe type of dementia, behavioral disorders, neuropsychiatric symptoms, level of dependence of treatment, comorbid illnesses, socio-demographic characteristic of caregiver, age, gender, economic status of family relationship, and residence, and characteristic of care, duration, and intensity of care are factors that affect the caregiver burden. In addition, a social support and family function were identified as mediator variable that influence the caregiver perceived burden. Thank you.
Okay, that's all about our presentation. We are sorry if we have many mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.